Hello, everybody, and welcome to KindCard. KindCard is a web app that I started to try to answer the question, how much impact can a single act of kindness have? I've always believed in the ripple effect of kindness, that one small action can lead to many more. But I've also always been curious about how to measure this. How do you take something so abstract, so intangible, and present it as something real? So I created KindCard. As of today, there are over 1,000 kind cards circulating around the world in over 7 different countries. Each card has a unique ID number on it, and when somebody receives a card through an act of kindness, they're able to sign on to this website, say how they got their card, and where they received it. From then on, they could go back online and see everywhere that that card goes. So let's get started and see how it works. On the home page here, you're presented with this big map of the world where you could zoom around, pan, and click these markers. Each one of these links will bring you to a specific card page where you could read stories that are tied to that card. So for example, this card number 291, it originated in Rockville, Utah, and then was given to somebody in Guadalajara, Mexico. If we go back home, we could click this View Random Card button to just go ahead and scan through some stories and see if anything looks interesting to us that we want to read about. So let's go ahead and enter a card. Say we received card number 500. I'm going to go ahead and enter my email address, how I received the card, YouTube presentation. And now we could use this search feature on the map to say where we received the card. This search feature is extremely flexible. We could do international cities, say Berlin, specific addresses, let's say 421 Barnwell Street. It's my house in college. Landmarks, like the Golden Gate Bridge. And we could also be really vague and do entire countries. For this, I'm going to do Madagascar, somewhere really obvious on the map so you could see the marker pop up when we submit the card. So as you can see, all those other locations automatically clear out too if we want to fine-tune our selection or choose somewhere new. So I'll hit submit. We get this thank you page, a link over to an Instagram channel. And on the back end, the user will receive a thank you welcome email that I have fired off on a MailChimp marketing campaign. But if I go back home, you can now see our new card down in Madagascar. And if I log in, I'll gain access to a special personalized map where I can see just the cards that I've submitted a story for, making it super easy to track. So here's our Madagascar card. Here's another card I submitted a story for out in Denver, Colorado when I found somebody's iPhone in a grocery store. But there you have it. That's KindCard. Be kind, everybody, and feel free to get in touch. You could visit this About Us page here for social media channels, request cards at this email address, and I'd be happy to send you some. Can't wait to see where all your kindness goes.